So we're coming out of Station du Quartier on the South Shore.
Station Brossard.
So as I was going to say, heading towards Brossard now. End of the line on the REM. Oh, I got some pretty large buildings over there on the right. Okay. Okay, one's a hotel, others are probably condos, some look like offices. Anyhow, anything on the left? Oh, that's the District, Quartier District. So, another mall on the left. So nothing terribly interesting visually speaking. So we'll just keep the camera running anyway. So there's a previous clip to this that I started filming, leaving Bonaventure Central Station, and now we are the second clip. So this is my first trip on the REM. Not my last though. I'll probably do several trips this weekend. Today's Friday the 13th. Well, there's one. Come on the other side of the building. I think I will be able to see coming on the other side of the building.
Station Brossard.
Station. I think I'm just going to stay here. It might be necessary to get off.
Les portes s'ouvriront sur le côté droit.
I'm not sure if you have to get off or not. I might just stay on.
Terminus. Merci d'avoir voyagé à bord du REM aujourd'hui. N'oubliez pas vos effets personnels.
I'm going to get off just to be safe and go to the other side. I don't know if you can stay on or not. I don't want to risk ending up in a train yard or something. So we'll just go to the other side of the station to catch the next train going back. So that's it.
À l'occasion du Grand Prix du Canada, le REM modifie ses horaires. Le vendredi 13 juin, le service sera prolongé. Le samedi 14 et le dimanche 15 juin, le réseau sera exceptionnellement ouvert. Pour plus de détails, consultez le site métropolitain.
I don't see anyone getting on here. I'm really not sure what the situation is. Or maybe it just goes back, or maybe it doesn't. Like I said, I don't want to risk getting stuck on a train that's going to Iran or something.